How to migrate Contact Form 7 reCAPTCHA keys to Google Cloud, the free version. The plugin developer has put out a notice for WordPress site owners using Contact Form 7. And if you're reading this is actually a little bit confusing. Because sure, we need to migrate our current keys, but we don't have to use reCAPTCHA Enterprise version. Okay, let me try and simplify what's going on with our migration. Basically, currently you're using Google reCAPTCHA with Contact Form 7. You've got your site key and secret key. Now, it's very important that you add your domain to Google reCAPTCHA Classic version here, so other people and other websites can't use your keys. Then we need to migrate our current keys. Now, the cloud version has 3 different tiers. One is Essentials, which is still free up to 10,000 assessments per month, each month. Then we have Standards, up to 100,000 assessments. When we pass 10,000 assessments, that's when it kicks in. So we're still getting 10,000 assessments for free, even on standard version. An enterprise version then is for websites that need more assessments. 100,000 assessments per month for your local business or an e-commerce site. Well, then, $8 per month, then 1,000 assessments for $1. That's actually reasonable, because the advanced features can be found on enterprise and standard version. Okay, I'm sure you read this, and let's go and see how we can migrate, continue using our current keys, and just be using Essential version. When you log into Google Cloud, as in simply visit Google Cloud, right? Then go to your console. When you're in your console, you can create a new project. Let's create a new project. We can give it a name and even change the ID if we want. Here, most small business owners looking at this will get confused because there's an asterisk mark there. Because when we see that, we think it's a required field. It isn't. Let's create the project. And as you can see, to create this video tutorial, I end up creating different projects. Let's select this project to see what happens when we do that. So now we are within this project. We can press on the dashboard. Now there is a lot of things here. To migrate, all you need to do is, let's go to project settings. Instead, we can go to security when we are within our project. Then here we have reCAPTCHA. That's what you need to press on. So you don't have to enable enterprise version, because I haven't added my billing information. That means I am within this Essentials tier. If I enable billing, which is easy to do as well, then I just simply add a billing information, as in create an account, provide details, and my perhaps credit card. And then you'll have a billing account. If you enable billing account, here's how it works. If you enable billing account, and thus your keys pass 10,000 assessment limit, that's when you'll get charged. But you can continue using reCAPTCHA keys without enabling your billing. Now, if you don't enable it, and let's say you needed 50,000 assessments per month, then reCAPTCHA keys will not work. But most small business sites, per month, 10,000 people visiting you through your contact form. Make sense? So, this is how you migrate for free. when you create your project, simply go to this URL here and you change the project ID to be yours. And then you'll see upgrade key option here. And then simply confirm the migration. And that's it. But I won't do that because I'm creating a tutorial for you. Basically, when we upgrade the key, it's gonna reside within a project. And that's it. And looking at all these things, I know it's confusing for most small business owners looking at all this information. You don't have to do anything really. All you need to do is create a project, then go to reCAPTCHA link here, and then you'll see upgrade key. You do not have to add your organization. You do not have to add billing unless you want to use the standard or enterprise version. Okay.